We are the Lotus family, we are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Hey my loves, how are you all doing? You are welcome back to today's video. So just like you've seen, we are going to be creating that beautiful hairstyle, and it's going to be fun, it's going to be educative. So keep on watching, and yeah, let's watch together. And if this is your first time of seeing my video, you are very welcome. If you're a returning viewer, a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So today, here I just finished cutting the wool that I will be using. I'm actually using Brazilian wool. I just cut it to the size that I want it to be. And yeah, that is the rubber band, the comb, and the gel with the brush that I'm going to be using. And here, I'm sectioning out the hair, or the amount of hair I'm going to be making. So yeah, please do not mind my voice. I have cold, and that's why my voice is like this. So please bear with me. So I'm just making sure to check that the line is manageable because I can't see my back. I'm just using my brain to section it out. So I just section it into two. Yeah, I'm going to be making big twists. So here I'm using my papaya hair wax to lay it down very well. I'm not actually applying much gel. So after that, I'm going to split the hair into two, just like I'm doing. Split it into two and then put your Brazilian wool between them, and then use rubber band to hold the hair, just like I just did here. And this is a trick. Then after that, you split the hair that you split into two, or you just held with a rubber band. Make sure to draw it and it will be tight, and put each section of the hair into one, into each Brazilian wool side. I don't know if that makes sense, but just watch the video and understand what I'm doing. It's a trick I learned from this particular girl on YouTube. Her name is Adana Maduka. I saw this video and I loved it so much. I decided to recreate it. So I'm going to do it again here. Just watch. Let me not talk. Just watch it. Please do not mind the wood that I left there. I cannot see my back, so I tend to make some mistakes. So just like you guys saw me do now, that is the easiest way to get your neat braids or even twists. So yeah, she's really good at what she does, and I really learned very well from her. I carried this hair for 3 weeks and it was still neat. And when you're making your own hair, you can put as much pressure or as you want, or even as less pressure as you want, so you can control it. That is one of the advantages of making your hair. So just like I told you guys, I did it again. So before the end of this video, I'm going to show you another way you can actually hold your hair, so that if this one is not easy for you, you can try the other one out. So, and also I'm going to be telling you how many Brazilian wool I used and how much time it took me. So after that, I make sure to twist, and when I read the length that I desire, when you're making the front side, make sure it's taller than the back side, so that everything will be the same size. And also measure it while making your hair. Hold down with the gel, the wax, and split the hair into two. Put the attachment or whatever you're using for your hair between, and then use your black rubber band and hold it down. After holding it down, you split the hair into two and draw it. Then make sure to apply that gel. That is what I'm showing you guys, so that the hair will not be coming out of the hair that you're going to twist. I don't know if that makes sense, but when you apply your gel,
the hair will not come out of the hair. Don't mind me, but yeah, that's just it. So I'll twist till I get to my desired length, and I'll make sure to hold it down with my Brazilian wool. Then this side, you have to first of all hold your hair down with the rubber band, and then fix the Brazilian wool to the hair, and make use the hair to help make okay, use the hair as the third strand. I don't know if that makes sense. Then braid it for like 2 3 times, or 2 times at least. Then you split the hair that is the third party that you used to braid into two. That is, each one goes to one side of the Brazilian wool, and then you start to twist and make sure to apply gel. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's the only way I can explain it. So just make sure to apply gel so that your braiding or your twisting will be really neat, just as my own is. And I'm also checking the length as I go. I'm checking the length as I go. Now I'm done with the hair. I'm just cutting it. I'm not cutting it to the end of it. If you notice, I'm just cutting the tips because I'm still going to dip it into water. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like this video. It will mean a lot. Subscribe to my channel. It will help me so much. Share to your friends, because by sharing it will reach to more people. God bless you so much. You can also leave a comment. Thank you so much. So after cutting it, I'm just feeling myself, don't mind me. And this hair took me 2 hours, exactly 2 hours, and I only used Brazilian wool, 5 pieces of Brazilian wool, and I bought it for each one was about 350 naira. So yeah, you can convert that into dollar. I don't know. Maybe I'll put the amount of dollar here, or maybe I'll just check it. But it's 350 naira. And I don't know about your side, but yeah. I'm just putting the hair inside hot water so that it will help me secure the place that I tied with the Brazilian wool. After that, I'm cleaning out the water so that it will not touch my body. And yeah, we're almost done with this hair, but we're going to, put small things to make it look more beautiful. Actually, this is the rubber band that I used for the beginning parts. So I'm also using it for the end so that it will hold the hair really well. And it will also add small, fanciness to it. It will look more fancy and beautiful. So if you don't like this, you can actually skip it, or you don't have to do it. So yeah, I also added small colorful rubber band. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching till now. God bless you. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also share to your friends. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.
We are the loudest family. We are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within reach. Let's aim beyond the sky. With our hearts as one, there's nothing we can't try. Through the highs and lows, we will always stay.